Hey everyone, Reese here from Levity Vans, an adventure van conversion company located in Santa Cruz, California. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our most recent build, an all-wheel drive Sprinter that's been outfitted with an Adventure Wagon kit. The build we're going to be taking a look at today only cost $75,000, and it only took 3 weeks to complete. Without further ado, let's get into it. This van is a 2023 all-wheel drive Sprinter 144. We've been fortunate enough to get our hands on a few of these vans lately, and let's just say we love them. Once inside, you can see that this van is equipped with the Adventure Wagon kit and has a very open layout with only a bed, some cabinets, a galley, and a garage with a drawer slide. The Adventure Wagon kit is great for minimalist builds because it's multifunctional, versatile, well built, and it can be installed in 1 week. Let's start with the galley. This is the 42-inch galley from Flatline Van Co. This galley features a 15-inch by 15-inch Rivati deep sink with a pull-down sprayer faucet. Below the sink is a cabinet that houses the main water source for this van. 2 5-gallon Scepter water jugs with quick connect fittings for easy removal. On the right side of the galley, there are 2 soft close drawers and a 65-liter 12-volt fridge. Beside the galley, we have 2 swivel seats and a mount for a lagoon table. Above the galley, we have an Adventure Wagon mule bag. And beside that, we have the master controls for the van, which feature 2 dimmer switches for the 2-zone lighting and your controls for the S-bar heater. Above the driver and passenger seat, we have an overhead storage shelf, perfect for storing the straw foot window covers. This van is powered by a Goal Zero 3000X power station, which charges from the alternator, a 400-watt solar panel on the roof, and shore power if necessary. In the back of the van, we have the Moab removable bed from Adventure Wagon. This bed is removable and height adjustable, giving you flexibility with your layout. This bed sleeps front to back, giving you about a king-size bed. There's a bunk window on either side of the van for ventilation when paired with the Max Air fan. On the passenger side of the van, there's another mule bag, perfect for storing clothes. Below the bed, there's a massive garage with a slide-out tray from Flatline Van Co. We've also included some really cool wheel well covers from TerraWagon. In the garage, we opted for the Hexa panels from Adventure Wagon because they're very durable and will hold up well to years of hard use. Well, that wraps up this build. As you can see, this van is great for the utilitarian and minimalist travelers. Like I said, this thing only cost $75,000 to build, and it was in and out of our doors in less than 3 weeks. If you like this van or want one for yourself, you can reach out to us at levityvans.com for more information. Until then, I'll see you next time. Adventure awaits.